crawling. Crawling can sometimes feel really impossible, which is weird because we did it when we were babies, no big deal, and now as adults, we completely lost the ability to get down on the floor and move around. So let's talk about the options that you have when crawling is part of the program. So first, what is a crawl? A crawl is a moving plank. It's a plank variation and you move it. So what we're gonna do first is get in all fours, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders, tuck your toes, and all we're gonna do is lift, all right? Bring the knees down and lift. So here's an option. When crawling is in there and it feels like it's totally impossible, you can practice this. You can practice just getting into the position. Now, once you can get into the position, you practice holding it, all right? So we can stay here and breathe. All right, trying to keep the core tight through here while you're letting your rib cage expand for the breath. From there, we're gonna actually take it into the crawl where we start to move the legs and the arms. Now you don't have to start by moving all around. You can start in place, and it looks like this. So you tuck your toes, you tighten your core, you find this position, and then you lift. Right hand, left foot. Right hand, left foot. All you're doing is just barely getting off the floor, trying to see if you can hold the position for a second, right? In the beginning, it'll be really hard. In the beginning, it'll probably just be a little like this, but as you practice, you'll get better and better. Now what you'll notice is my back is not really changing position very much, and that's my goal. I'm trying to resist any kind of big rotation or tilt or anything like that. So that's the first step, right? Do it in place. That gets you the pattern. It locks the pattern in your head of opposite leg, opposite arm, opposite leg, opposite arm. When you're ready to move it, you're gonna start in that same position. And instead of just lifting, you're gonna lift and go forward a little bit. Lift and go forward a little bit, all right? And then you can reverse it and go back. Push the floor really actively with the arm that's about to be supporting, right? It's a lot of weight to put in one arm. So you really have to keep that active press. Now you can practice here. Just going back and forth on your mat, all right? From there, then you can take it around and start to move through space. Here are two other variations that you might be interested in at some point, and that is a lateral crawl, right? So same thing, opposite arm, opposite hand, we're gonna move to the side, and then the other one. All right, so I'm laterally crawling. So everything else is staying the same. I can combine these, I can go forward, and then to the side, and back to where I started, right? So once you have all these options, you can start to play with them and moving through space. The last one I will show you is a circle. You can see I'm getting a little out of breath from these. These are hard work, right? The last one I show you is a circle. So this is great if you're moving around your space. You need to go to the left or to the right, but it's also fun to do in place. So find your stable position, and then same thing. So now you're just gonna move in a circular fashion. So you'd imagine there's a post going through your belly button, right? So that you're just going right around yourself. And breathe down. And take a rest, because you've probably earned it by now.